Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the LoveBoxxx Super Sexy Starter Kit. So let's get started. So this is the LoveBoxxx Super Sexy Starter Kit itself. As you can see, everything's in a gorgeous purple colour, and this is perfect for men, women and couples. As you can see, there are various toys, so it's a fantastic starter kit. It's the perfect gift for your lover, or perhaps some extra pleasure and excitement in the bedroom. So included is a powerful vibrator. Batteries are included. To turn on, simply twist and determine how intense you want the vibrations. To turn off, simply twist all the way back around and it's off. An extender sleeve, a realistic dildo, a vagina masturbator, love balls with a spiky outer texture, and it also has a pull cord just here, so insertion and removal is easy. Anal beads with a handy handle, so insertion and removal again is very simple and easy. A penis sleeve with nubs on the outside. A cock ring with nubs as well. Again, stretchy for the perfect fit. And last but not least, a vibrating egg. Batteries are included in this one. To turn on, simply press the dial and determine how strong you want the vibrations. To turn off, pull the dial all the way off and it's off. Now, when using some of these items, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toys after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the LoveBoxxx Super Sexy Starter Kit. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.